Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Theta from Binance. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in binance.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Binance website where you can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and then using your login credentials. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into your dashboard where you can buy your desired crypto. In order to buy Theta coin, simply hover over to the Buy Crypto section at the top left corner and then click on your desired payment method. Once you click on it, you will be taken into the crypto buying page. Now, from this page, within the Spend section, click on the selected currency and then choose your desired currency that you want to spend. Then from the Receive menu, click on the selected BTC and then you will be able to search for your desired coin. Simply type in Theta and you will be able to find the coin. Just click on it and this is now selected. Now just type in how much Theta you want to receive or how much you want to spend on buying this crypto. Then finally click on the Continue button and then you can proceed with buying your desired crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy the Theta cryptocurrency on Binance. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.